in front of me is Google Pixel 7 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this Google device. You need to begin by opening two apps in the background that you wish to use in this view. In my case, Play Store and Chrome. Following that, click on the square button to access background apps and tap on the icon of an app that you wish to use on top half of your screen. Then click on Split Top and tap on the other app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can do that by dragging the first tab upwards or downwards and selecting Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!